Alright guys, sorry I didn't even uh, tell you guys that I'm gonna be pausing the video. So this is the second part of the first video, and we're still at the while loop right here. So this while loop basically, uh, this will receive one character from the keyboard, and then the while loop starts, and the while loop basically passes that one character right here into this function, and then uh, the function will do whatever its job, and then whatever its task is given, and then it will return that character into this string right here. This is C string in this character, so it will return it right here, and then the same process will go all over again. So basically the next character uh, will be read from the keyboard or from the buffer, and then it will be passed into next iteration. It will be passed into this function right here through this variable, and then the function will do its job or the task, and then it will return uh, it will return the string. And then this is the increment operator right here. So basically we need this for our function. So you'll see that this is very important. You'll see its importance later on in the function. So our while loop is done. Let's go to the next, what we're gonna do next. Okay, I'm gonna call upon the display function. So after we receive the characters, or the string is filled with the characters, then we need to display them. So I need to call upon the display function. What was that? Display or something? Display, there we go, it's right here. Okay, display, yep. Okay, so actually I don't need to have this for right now. String right there. Call the string. So the string, there we go. So we use this string right here, this variable, into the function. So the same variable right here, so it's the same one. We call upon this function, and then we're gonna have some conditions that, let's say f, let me f actually this is gonna be, let me use my third function, f, here we go. What was that? F palindrome, there, palindrome, the string. So basically it's saying that if this returns true, if this returns true, then we're gonna output or display cout, couple lines. The string is a palindrome here. Inline. Let me couple inline right here to one more. There. Alright. So the next else cout the string is not a palindrome. Let me, you know what? Not a palindrome. not a palindrome. There. There you go. We're done with the basic. Basically, we're gonna go and build these functions. Let's copy. All right. Okay, so we get two parameters right here. We need the names now. We already have the names, the variables, and let's start from a for loop basically. So we're going to be receiving the str dot. As soon as you hit that dot, it's going to pop up the all the members right here. So the reason before when I said that this variable is very important, because you will see the importance of it right now. So the reason we incremented this because, or we initialize it right here because of this reason. So in for loop we don't have to go ahead and type int equals 0 and stuff like that. So basically we already know this variable is 0 from here. There. So we pass this in our for loop right here. Then str dot strlen less than 10. Let's say 10. 10 is fine. 10 str dot, there we go, plus plus. The for loop starts, and str dot the str dot the str. Basically, that's what it is. Yep. Str. The str. Oh no, it's not there. Okay, let me see why it's not popping up. Str dot the str. Str. There we go. Now it should be good. Okay. So str dot strlen. There. This is the equals. There. So basically we pass this character right here into this function, and this character will be holding only one character from the keyboard, only one. So this, we initialize this array or C-state, C-string array basically, or C-string. We're going to pass it into this C-string right here. Let's see what's member name string str. The str. What's going on? Why the str is not showing up? Okay, let me see what is the name of this guy. Str. Okay, it's only str. There's no duh. Okay. That's why. There. Should be good now. Good to go. Alright. So we're done with our for loop right here, and then if I run this, basically all the what happens, the character will pass, this character will pass into this function, and then through this for loop will save into this string right here. So we need to have a system to stop this. Otherwise, we're going to have only one of the the first character of the string the user that enters will be saved into this array right here. So this array will hold only one character. So we need to have a system so the loop should be broken and it will be referenced back to the while loop into the main function. So from main function will the same process start and will go back to the second iteration, and that's how this variable will be holding the second character from the keyboard buffer. So that's why we need to have a break. Oops, what's happening? There we go. Break. I'll show you later on how important this break is. We're gonna break the loop and go back to the while loop. So we're basically done with this function. Let's go to the display function and let's copy this. Control copy. V. Okay, folks. What I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to pause the video, so I don't want to take a bunch of times. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.